Now is available at McCarthycars BMW 5 Series M Sport 62 plate 2012 metallic grey. Car has front headlight washer, got front parking sensor, front fog lights. It's got 19-inch M Sport alloy wheels. It's got privacy rear glass, roof rails. Car has rear parking sensor. It's got reversing camera. Electric tailgate, split folding rear seats, full black leather interior. It's got side and front airbags, 5 headrests, ISOFIX child seat preparation, four electric windows, got electric mirror, folding mirror, electric seats, front auto headlights. Car has satellite navigation. It's got a reversing camera. Telephone, Bluetooth connection. DAB radio. Comfort mode, Sport Plus, Comfort Plus, start stop button, auto start stop function, 2-zone climate control air conditioning, heated seats, automatic transmission, USB and aux connection, multifunction steering wheel, paddle shift, cruise control, speed limiter. Thank you for watching.